Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Prius front light. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb for your specific Prius model. Before starting, always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged. This simple preparation helps keep you safe throughout the process. Let's get started. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your Prius's hood and locate the headlight assembly from inside the engine bay. You might need to remove a few plastic clips or covers that are blocking your direct access to the bulb housing. Once clear, find the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press its release tab firmly and gently pull to disconnect it. This step ensures no power reaches the bulb during replacement. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support helps us create more useful content. On another note, for all your reading needs, including those tricky car manuals, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to the Kindle and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With access clear, it's time for the replacement. Carefully twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing, then gently pull it straight out. Avoid touching the glass of your new bulb. Oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, ensuring it seats correctly, then twist it clockwise to secure it. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a distinct click, confirming a secure connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.